Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Sursurlara from Shelter of Sursur. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off at the top and let's draw the shape of the head. We'll start with a long curve across. Then from both ends, let's angle it back in. And then bring it down on both sides, meeting at a curve at the bottom. Next, let's hop inside and let's draw 2 circles for the eyes. And then another circle inside on the right. And color both of these in black. Now underneath for the mouth, let's draw a curve going up, and then a long curve down and back up underneath. And color the mouth in black. Lastly, from both corners of the head, let's draw an angle down and then angle it back up underneath. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and draw the body. Under the head, let's draw 2 curves going down and out. Now top inside and let's draw a curve across. And then angle it up to a point. Next on both sides, let's add the arms. Let's curve it out. Then a curve down and in on the ends. And then bring it back in. Next, at the end of each arm, let's draw 2 lines going out and a curve across the ends. Now for the hands, let's draw a curve up at the top and then one underneath, and the same on the right side. And now let's thicken these lines up like this. And that's it for the arms and hands. Now let's move down and draw the legs. Underneath, let's draw a curve down and out. Then let's hop inside and let's draw a curve and angle it down on both sides. Now for the feet, let's bring the outside line outwards and then a curve at the bottom of each one. And that's it for Sursurlara. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!